Hi everyone, this is a technical analysis on USDJPY. Let's start with a fundamental overview first. The USD continues to consolidate around the highs, except against the commodity currencies where it extended into new highs. The US inflation data last week was once again a disappointment, although the data that feeds into the core PCE was overall benign as forecasters expect a 0.13% month over month increase. Nonetheless, the Treasury yields continue to climb and are now back at around the post US election highs. There is some understandable uneasiness in the bond market, given the hot US data and the Fed continuing to cut into an accelerating economy. On the JPY side, the market increased the probabilities for no change at this week's BOJ decision, following a report from Bloomberg last week saying that the central bank sees little cost of waiting for the next rate hike. This is not something new, as the market was already leaning for no change, but the JPY weakened across the board nonetheless. Most of the USD JPY gains, though, can be attributed to the rise in Treasury yields, with the focus now switching to the FMC policy decision on Wednesday. Now, the daily chart. We can see that USD JPY broke above the key 151.90 level and extended a rally into the 154 handle. From a risk management perspective, the buyers will have a better risk to reward setup around the 151.90 support to position for a rally into the 160 handle next. The sellers, on the other hand, will want to see the price breaking lower to target a drop into the 149.40 level. On the 4-hour chart, we can see that we have an upward trend line defining the current bullish momentum on this time frame. The buyers will likely lean on the trend line with a defined risk below it to position for a rally into new highs, while the sellers will look for a break lower to target the 151.90 support. On the 1-hour chart, we can see that we have a nice support zone around the 152.80 level, where there's the confluence with the trend line. This is where we can expect the buyers stepping in to position for new highs, while the sellers will look for a break lower to target the 151.90 support. These red lines define the average daily range for today. For the upcoming catalysts, today we have the US flash PMIs, tomorrow we get the US retail sales data, on Wednesday we have the FMC policy decision, on Thursday we have the BOJ rate decision and the US jobless claims figures, and on Friday we conclude the week with the Japanese CPI and the US PCE data.